Hi, welcome to Sugitsune. As some of you may know, we do carry an excellent line of stainless steel folding brackets, the EB series. Today we are going to take a look at a wonderful addition to the EB line, the EB lever release system. In order to fold the brackets, all levers must be engaged at the same time. This can be challenging when used on wide shelves. The EB lever release system allows you to engage all levers at the same time with the use of one hand. The EB lever release system is available in a 2-lever or 3-lever configuration. It does include a safety lock feature that requires you to slide the lever before engaging. This ensures that the levers are not engaged by any accidental touch. Now, the EB lever system can be used for all 3 sizes of our brackets. Another great thing about the EB lever system is that it is made out of aluminum, so it can be used outdoors along with our stainless steel brackets. The EB lever release system has a very simple design. The levers engage with the brackets at this point. The levers are then connected with the connecting rod that is fastened to the levers. When one end is engaged, the other one is engaged as well. Now, the safety lock feature works thanks to the use of the safety pin and the spring on the opposite end. The safety lock system requires you to shift the lever before engaging. When it is not shifted, the pin prevents an accidental engagement of the levers. The safety lock feature can be removed by removing the pin and the spring. If you have any questions on our EB series or any of our products, please call into our customer service line or send us an email to sales@sugitsune.com. Thank you for joining us.